Hello, all little bundle of joy, my cute little kids. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Today I am here with some interesting activity which we are going to do in a scrapbook. You must be wondering what an activity is. Okay, I will tell you. Activity is related to upcoming festival, that is Krishna Janmashtami. माखन चुराकर जिसने खाया, बंसी बजाकर जिसने नचाया, खुशी मनाओ उसके जन्म की जिसने दुनिया को प्रेम सिखाया. So let's start with an activity. Material required is red craft sheet paper, blue craft sheet paper and one yellow craft sheet paper. Sequence, one Fevicol and little bit of cotton. Okay. Now open your scrapbook. This is your scrapbook. Open the new page. Write date 8th August 2020 and on the right hand side write classwork and in the middle write Janmashtami special. Okay. Now we are going to start with an activity. First take blue craft sheet paper. Okay. From blue craft sheet paper you have to cut the flute like this, as you are seeing in the video. As I am showing to you, you have to cut like this. And now take red craft sheet paper. From the red craft sheet paper you have to cut the matki like this. Okay, here I request the parents, please help your ward to cut out these shapes. Okay, for the activity. Now from the yellow craft sheet paper you have to cut a small strip like this, two strips, one big one and one small. Okay. Now after cutting all the cutouts of the activities, first you have to take flute. Okay. First you have to take a flute, apply a glue on flute like this and then paste it like this. Okay. After that you have to take the matki cutout and then apply a glue on it and then paste the matki like this. Okay. Now after pasting the matki you have to take a small strip of yellow color and then apply the glue on it and then paste it in the middle like this. Okay. After pasting this you have to take the sequence which is in the shape of circle. If you don't have this kind of sequence, you can arrange the colorful paper and cut like this in the shape of circle. Okay. I am having the sequence, that's why I am pasting the sequence. If you don't have a circle sequence, you can take the colorful paper and cut in the shape of circle. Now paste the sequence one by one like this. Apply the glue here like this and one by one we will paste the sequence. In the same way, we have to paste the circle sequence over here. Okay. Now first we will apply the glue here. Now we will paste one by one like this. After pasting the sequence, we will paste a golden sequence here. Okay. First we will apply the glue and then we will paste a golden sequence. After pasting the golden sequence, we will paste the cotton over here. Okay. Apply the glue and then we will paste the cotton like this. Okay, now we will decorate Bansuri with stones. You may take this kind of stones and paste here like this. Okay. And now you have cut this kind of paper also. Apply the glue over here and then paste it like this. A Bansuri is ready. Okay. In the matki also we have to paste this kind of stone at bottom like this. Okay. I hope you enjoyed this activity. Thank you.